Today we are going to the lesson the globe. Have you seen the sun and the moon and the sky? What is the shape of the sun and the moon? They are in spherical shape. Like sun and the moon, the earth is in spherical shape. Before Apollo lands to moon, man never see whole earth on its glance. But the earth looked like an orange. The earth looked like blue shining ball or blue lighted ball as seen from the moon. So the earth is slightly flat at the top and bottom like an orange. The earth seems very big to us, but it is one small planet in the group of planets in a solar system. Solar system is a sun and the group of planets are called the solar system. So sun is like a star. It is burning ball of gases like the stars. The sun is in the center of the solar system. So all planets are solid masses. There are 8 planets move around the sun. All planets are solid masses and they revolve around the sun. There are 8 planets move around the sun. They are the first one is Mercury, second Venus. Mercury is the nearest planet and Venus is the brightest planet, and the third one is Earth. Plants and animals live on the Earth. Next, Mars. After that, Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet and in the group of the solar planets in the group solar system. And next, after the Jupiter, Saturn. Saturn is the different shape of the planet. After Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the far from the sun. So all planets are moving around the sun of their own different definite paths. They are called the orbits. The orbit means the path of the moon. Planets are called orbits. So sun is a burning ball of gases. All planets are solid masses. They are revolve around the sun of their own different definite paths. That is called orbits. The earth look like an orange. There are countries, continents, oceans on its surface. There are mountains, plateaus, plains, waterfalls, deserts are also on the earth's surface. Great varieties of plants and animals also live on the earth. So we cannot visit every place of the earth to study and about know them. But a model of the earth is used for studies because we cannot visit every part of the earth and earth to study and know about it. So therefore, a model of the earth is used for studies. So the globe is the model of the earth. Look children, this is a globe. It is the model of the earth. The globe shows us, so it is a small model of the earth. The globe is a small spherical model of the earth. So on the earth, the globe shows continents, different countries and oceans also. And The globe shows different countries and the borders of the or boundaries of the different continents, countries and oceans. These are all shows on the boundaries are shows on the lines on the globe. So on the earth there are 7 continents. They are Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, North America, Europe, and Australia. So these are all the continents we can see on the globe. So continents are continents are the large land masses on the earth are called continents. And there are major oceans on the we can see on the globe. The major oceans are the Pacific Ocean, Indian. So Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, they are the major ocean on the earth. Oceans are the large water bodies. Large water bodies are called the oceans. So on the globe, we can find out the countries, continents, oceans. We can find out the continents, countries, and ocean easily on the globe. We can also compare their sizes. Like so, Asia is the largest continent, Australia is the smallest continent, and Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. So, and some are the Arctic oceans or Antarctic oceans or Arctic oceans are the small oceans. So, we can compare its sizes also on the globe. So, the globe shows us different continents, countries, and its boundaries, and also which are the boundaries, continents and countries, and it also shows the sizes. We can compare the sizes of the countries and continents and oceans on the globe. So we can also on the globe which countries or which continents are nearer to each other, like North America and South America is nearer to each other, and Australia is like far away. So this is we can find out which countries are nearer to each other and which countries are like too far away. So we can find out easily on the globe continents, countries, oceans, and which are big, which are small, and which are far away and which are nearer. So the globe helps us to use to studies. So a model of the earth. The globe is the model of the earth used for studies. So next we will go to the poles. Poles means poles. So on the globe, the northernmost top of the point is called North Pole. That means the northernmost top of the point is on the earth is called North Pole. As it is towards the south, the southernmost point of the bottom is on the globe or earth is called South Pole. So North Pole and South Pole. So the earth rotates like a globe. The earth rotates on its axis. The earth rotates on its axis. Axis is an imaginary straight line. Axis is an imaginary straight line Around which rotates it? Around which body rotates it? Axis is an imaginary or real or imaginary straight line around which the body rotates it. So as it is, the Earth's axis is an imaginary line running from the North Pole to South Pole, passes through in the middle of the Earth. So the Earth rotates on that axis. At a time, we cannot see every part of the globe. You can see, now we can see only one part of the globe. So we turn the globe, we can see other part of the globe. At a time, we cannot see, we can see only one part of the globe. Then we turn the globe, we can see other part of the globe. So globe is a miniature model of the Earth. Have you seen in the globe, children? Have you seen in this globe? There are circles and circulars and semicircular lines. Circular lines and semicircular lines drawn around the globe. So these are all at imaginary lines. The lines are the circular and semicircular lines drawn on the globe are at imaginary lines drawn in order to make it easier to locate the places. The lines are drawn in order to easier to locate the places. The center line drawn on the globe. Have you seen children? You can see here the center line drawn exactly drawn on the middle of the two poles. A center line drawn on the globe and exactly middle between the two poles. So this is called equator. See children, this is called equator. So the equator divides the earth into two parts. The equator divides the earth into two parts. The north part of the earth is called northern hemisphere. The southern part of the earth is called the bottom of the earth is from equator towards the south pole. That part is called the southern hemisphere. From equator towards the top, towards the north pole is called the northern hemisphere. From equator towards the south pole is called the southern hemisphere. The word hemi means half. So next up, we will go to the long latitudes. Latitudes are here, see children, the lines run from east to west. The lines run from east to west on the globe. East to west on the globe. See children, the lines run from east to west on the globe. They are called the lines of latitudes. These lines, the horizontal lines, are called the lines of latitudes. The lines of latitudes run parallel to each other. The lines of latitude run parallel to each other. So they are called latitudes of parallels or parallels of latitudes. The lines drawn from east to west on the globe and are called the lines of latitudes. These latitudes run parallel to each other, so they are called parallels of latitudes. They never cut each other. Each complete line of latitude is a circle. The center line of circle is called equator. So equator is the center line of the circle on the globe, on the earth. So all the lines, all remaining except equator, all the lines towards the North Pole and towards the South Pole, all the lines are measured as a number. From 0 degree, equator is said to be 0 degree. From equator towards the South Pole and North Pole, all the latitudes or all the lines are numbered in the lines of equator. From the numbers, all the lines numbered from the equator of reference, from this line of reference, they measured in degrees. So from equator towards the South Pole, there are numbered in degrees. So equator is said to be 0 degree longitude. Equator is said to be 0 degree latitude. From equator towards the North Pole, there are 90 latitudes. From equator it is said to be 0 degree latitude. From equator towards the North Pole, there are 90 latitudes. As it is towards the South Pole, from 0 degree to South Pole, here are 90 latitudes. So from equator towards the North Pole, these latitudes labeled as N. From equator towards the South Pole, 90 degree latitudes are labeled as S. S means south latitudes and the north latitudes. So the latitudes are shorter and shorter towards the poles. The center line is larger towards the North Pole and South Pole. The latitudes are shorter and shorter when we move away from the equator towards the pole. Understood, children? So the latitudes are shorter and shorter when we move away from equator towards the poles. So the longest latitude on the globe is on the earth is the equator. So the 90 degree N. Here look here children. The 90 degree N and the 90 degree S latitude. 90 degree N and 90 degree S latitude are only points. There are not circles. They are only points. This is also south latitude, 90 degrees, south latitude, 30 point. It is also 90 degree, north latitude. Both are only points. So, beside the equator, there are other important latitudes on the globe or earth. Beside the equator, there are other important latitudes on the globe towards the North Pole and South Pole. Let us study these other important latitudes. There are some special names, children. So, we study the other important latitudes on the globe. So, you can already know that 0 degree is the equator. From 0 degree towards the north, 23.5 degree north latitude. It is called the Tropic of Cancer. And also from 0 degree towards the North Pole, 66.5 degree north latitude. This is called the Arctic Circle. As it is towards the south, from 0 degree equator towards the south, 23.5 degree S latitude or south latitude is called the Tropic of Capricorn. And 66.5 degrees south latitude towards the South Pole is called the Antarctic Circle. So, beside the equator, there are other important latitudes are drawn on the globe, and also on the earth they are imaginary lines. So, they are the 0 degree latitude is also called the equator. 23.5 degree latitude also called the Tropic of Cancer. 66.5 degree north latitude also called the Arctic Circle, as it is towards the south. 23.5 degrees south latitude is also called the Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degrees south latitude is called the Antarctic Circle, and 90 degree yes are also bands. So, what are the uses of these other latitudes? Have you know, children? So, the special name of these latitudes helps into dividing the earth into climatic zones. The other latitudes and including equator helps to dividing the earth into climatic zones. So we can know about the climatic zones on the earth. So along the equator from 23.5 degree between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, this zone is called the torrid zone. And from the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle between this zone is called the North Temperate Zone, and 66.5 degree north towards the North Pole, this zone is called the North Frigid Zone. As it is in the south, Tropic of Capricorn towards the Antarctic Circle. So this zone is called the South Temperate Zone, and 66.5 degree south towards the South Pole. This zone is called the South Frigid Zone. So this is the important. These are the important latitudes on the globe. Next, we will go to the longitudes. Longitude are also imaginary lines drawn from North Pole to South Pole on the globe or the Earth. So they were also imaginary lines drawn from the North Pole to South Pole. So all the latitudes are same length. All the longitudes are same length. They are also semicircles. Latitudes are circles, but longitudes are semicircles. All the longitudes are same length. All the longitudes are semicircles. All the longitudes meet at two poles, North Pole and South Poles. So these longitudes are also called meridians. Longitudes are meridians. Meridians emerged from the North Pole, make it angles. Emerged from the North Pole and South Pole poles. The meridians emerged from the poles. They make angles to one another. The meridians emerged from the pole, make an angles each one another. The total number of all angles meet at a point. The total of all angles meet at a point at is 360 degrees. All the longitudes, all angles, the total of all angles make a point, it is 360 degrees. So we can on the globe there are therefore 360 longitudes or meridians can be drawn on the globe. Have you know, children? There are 360 degrees of angles made in the North Pole and South Pole at a point. So, therefore, 360 meridians can be drawn. Next, all the countries of the world agreed. All the countries of the world agreed that the lines of longitude should be numbered from the meridians. All the lines of longitude should be numbered from the meridians passing through the observatory at Greenwich near London. So it is 0 degree, its number is 0 degree. So this is called the prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. That means 0 degree longitude passes through the Greenwich near London. It is an observatory. So its number is 0 degree. This is called the prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. On the globe or at the one side is the 0 degree longitude. From 0 degree towards the east, 180 degree longitudes are drawn. As it is from 0 degree towards the west, 180 degree longitudes are drawn. On the other opposite side of the longitude, 0 degree longitude, on the other opposite side of the 0 degree longitude, there is a 180 degree longitude is drawn. So 180 degree longitude is west and east. They are called the east longitudes, they are called the west longitudes. 180 degree longitudes, E and W are the same. So the 0 degree and 180 degree longitude divides the earth into two equal parts, two equal halves. They are called the western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Next, grid. Grid is a network of longitudes and latitudes are drawn on the globe is called a grid. The network of longitude and latitude. See this type of square in the globe. So the network of longitude and latitudes on the globe are drawn. This is grid. Grid means on the globe, a network of longitudes and latitudes are drawn. This is a grid. So grid helps to locating the places on the globe or earth. The grid helps to locating the places. So this is the useful of the globe, children. In this lesson, some of the hard words are there related to this lesson. They are the hard words earth, planet, orbits, globe, continents, oceans, poles, axis, latitude, longitude, and grid. Thank you, children. You sending admin ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಇದ್ರ ನೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನದೇನೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು ನಾಟೆ
ಓಕೆ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ
ಎಂಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಂಡ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ
ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂತ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು
ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ
ಅವತ್ತೊಂದೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತೊಂದೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬರೀ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಡೇಟ್ ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನತ್ತ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಅದು ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕಡೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಜೋಬ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬುಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡ ಜೋಬು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಳಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೊಸ ರಚೆ ಕೂಡ
ನಾವು ಹೊಸ್ಕೊಳ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದೆ
ಬೇಕಾ ಸೇರ್ಬೇಕಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಮ್ದು ಒಂಥರ
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನೀವು ಆ ಮೇಲಿನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ ಇದೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೈನ್ ಬರೀ
ಏನು ಮೇಡಮ್
ಲೈನ್ ಸೊಟ್ಟ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ
ಆದಷ್ಟು ಜರಿಕಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ
ಎರಡೂನಾ
ಲೈಟ್ ಹೌಸ್
ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಹೌದಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ
ಈಗಿಂದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ
ನಾನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೋಗೋದು
ನಿಮ್ದ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ದ ಇದಾ
ಮತ್ತೆ ತೆಗ್ಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ?
ಹ್ಮ್ ನಿರ್ಮರಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಕೊಡಿ ನೀವು.
ಎಂಡ್ ಅದು